Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 best ear headphones in 2025. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading ear headphones that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products, I mentioned be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The world of wireless audio with the Beats Solo 3 wireless on-ear headphones. These sleek and stylish headphones promise an exceptional listening experience, and we're here to break it all down for you. The Beats Solo 3 headphones pack a punch when it comes to sound quality. Thanks to the Apple W1 chip and Class 1 Bluetooth connectivity, you'll enjoy crystal clear audio with impressive bass. Whether you're jamming to your favorite tunes or catching up on podcasts, these headphones won't disappoint. Need headphones that can keep up with your busy lifestyle? Look no further. With up to 40 hours of battery life, the Solos are perfect for all-day use. Plus, the fast fuel feature gives you 3 hours of playback after just 5 minutes of charging. Ideal for those last-minute dashes out the door. Designed for comfort, the adjustable fit and cushioned ear cups make these headphones suitable for extended wear. Whether you're commuting, working out, or just chilling at home, the Solo 3s won't leave your ears feeling fatigued. And did we mention they fold up neatly for easy portability? Take control of your music and calls with the on-ear buttons. Skip tracks, adjust volume, and even activate Siri, all without reaching for your phone. It's convenient at your fingertips. Inside the box, you'll find the Beats Solo 3 wireless headphones, a handy carrying case, a 3.5mm remote talk cable for wired listening, and a universal USB charging cable. Just add your favorite playlist and you're ready to rock. In conclusion, the Beats Solo 3 wireless on-ear headphones combine style, comfort, and impressive sound quality. Whether you're a music aficionado or just need reliable headphones for daily use, these are worth considering. Number 4. The world of premium audio with the Beats Studio 3 wireless noise-canceling over-ear headphones. If you're a music lover or someone who appreciates crystal clear sound, stick around because we've got some exciting features to discuss. The Beats Studio 3 headphones deliver an immersive audio experience. With pure adaptive noise canceling, pure ANC, you'll be in your own musical bubble, whether you're on a crowded subway or working from home. Thanks to Apple's W1 chip and Class 1 Bluetooth technology, these headphones keep you connected without annoying dropouts. Plus, they're compatible with both iOS and Android devices. Need headphones that can keep up with your day? The Studio 3 offers an impressive 22 hours of wireless playback. And if you're running low, a quick 10-minute charge gives you 3 hours of playtime. Say goodbye to audio distortion. The Studio 3's real-time audio calibration ensures a premium listening experience, adjusting sound quality based on your surroundings. Easily take calls, adjust volume, and activate Siri using the multifunction on-ear controls. Plus, the headphones come with a carrying case, cables, and a quick start guide. In conclusion, so there you have it, the Beats Studio 3 wireless headphones in a nutshell. Whether you're a music enthusiast, a frequent traveler, or just someone who wants top-notch sound quality, these headphones are worth considering. Number 3. The world of audio bliss with the Beats Studio Pro wireless headphones. Buckle up because these sleek black cans are about to elevate your listening experience. The Beats Studio Pro boasts a custom acoustic platform that delivers rich, immersive sound. Whether you're jamming to your favorite tunes or taking important calls, expect crystal clear audio. Plug in and enjoy lossless audio quality through the USB-C connection. 3 distinct built-in sound profiles enhance your listening pleasure, from bass-heavy beats to crisp vocals. Toggle between 2 listening modes. First up, we have fully adaptive active noise canceling, ANC, perfect for drowning out the world during your commute. And when you need to stay aware, switch to transparency mode. Pairing is a breeze with one-touch connectivity. Plus, the Beats Studio Pro plays nice with both Apple and Android devices. It's like a tech-savvy Swiss Army knife for your ears. Brace yourself for an immersive 360-degree listening experience. Dynamic head tracking places you right at the center of the action, whether you're grooving to your favorite band or binge-watching your latest series. In conclusion, the Beats Studio Pro wireless headphones offer a winning combo of style, functionality, and top-notch sound. With up to 40 hours of battery life and voice-targeting mics, they're ready to be your trusty audio sidekick. Unbox them, slip them on, and let the music take you places. Number 2. The World of Beats Solo 4 Wireless Headphones. Whether you're an Apple aficionado or an Android enthusiast, these sleek matte black headphones promise an immersive audio experience. The Beats Solo 4 boasts custom acoustic architecture and updated drivers, delivering that signature Beats sound. Whether you're grooving to your favorite beats or catching up on podcasts, expect powerful audio. Get ready for a personalized experience. With dynamic head tracking, the Solo 4 creates spatial audio that adapts as you move. It's like having your own concert hall wherever you go. Say goodbye to ear fatigue. The ultralight ergonomic design ensures all-day comfort. The FlexGrip headband and ergonomically angled ear cups provide stability during long listening sessions. Ultra plush ear cushions cradle your ears, making extended wear a breeze. Plus, they're built to withstand daily use. Perfect for those who can't live without their tunes. Need marathon listening? The Solo 4 delivers up to 50 hours of battery life. And if you're in a rush, Fast Fuel gives you 5 hours of playback with just a 10-minute charge. In conclusion, Beats Solo 4, where style meets substance. From lossless audio to seamless compatibility, these headphones are ready to elevate your music game. So, go ahead, put them on, and let the beats take you places. Number 1. The world of premium audio with the Beats Solo Pro wireless noise-canceling on-ear headphones. These sleek black headphones promise an immersive experience, and we're here to find out if they deliver. The Solo Pro's ANC feature is a game changer. It blocks out external noise, creating a personal sound oasis. Whether you're on a noisy commute or just need some quiet focus time, these headphones have your back. Ever worry about missing important announcements while wearing headphones? Fear not. The transparency mode lets you stay aware of your surroundings without taking off the headphones. Perfect for that coffee shop vibe or when you're out and about. Say goodbye to dropouts and hello to extended range. The Solo Pro features the Apple H1 headphone chip and Class 1 Bluetooth, ensuring seamless connectivity with your iOS or Android devices. Siri, meet your new best friend. Activate Siri hands-free with a simple "Hey Siri" command. Plus, control your music playback using the convenient onboard buttons. No fumbling around, just press the B button and groove on. With up to 22 hours of listening time, or a whopping 40 hours with ANC and transparency turned off, the Solo Pro keeps the music going. And when you're low on juice, Fast Fuel gives you 3 hours of playback from just a 10-minute charge. Plus, the auto on-off feature saves battery when you fold or unfold the headphones. In conclusion, the Beats Solo Pro, wireless noise canceling. On-ear headphones combine style, functionality, and comfort. Whether you're a music enthusiast, a podcast addict, or just need some peace and quiet, these headphones are worth considering. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.